Giuseppe's actually working on his Barracuda again today, and I think he's getting it ready for the MSD installation. And he was working on his little truck. We're gonna go see what he's doing. I'll do this at home. My lighter's broken. Let's go check it out. Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I'm timing the engine on my Barracuda.
Yeah, you're timing it.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're gonna get ready to do the.
I'm gonna get ready to do the MSD. Yeah. After
Oh,
I
yeah?
get it timed, I'm gonna take it apart. I still have to find out where to put the MSD box. I don't know if I want to put it here.
You put that
in the car.
on zero? You sure that's on zero?
Don't worry, I got my own ways. Do you trust me?
Yeah, I trust you.
Then I got it covered. Don't worry about it. But yeah, I don't know where to put the box. I don't know if I want to put it here. I might do it on the inside.
What's that? The ignition box?
Yeah, the MSD box. I think I want to go more nostalgic looking because back in the '60s they had points still. So I might put it in the car.
They didn't have the electronic ignition setup. No, you can do that. Leave the coil where it is. You can keep it nostalgic looking if you hide it. You can put it under the dash because they want a cool spot of where to put it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think.
Well, why don't you put another fender cover?
Yes.
Don't fool around.
Yes.
So what else did you do today?
Well, I took the covers off of this. I'm gonna primer them. But
Yo, what happened? I thought you wanted to put dual carbs on this.
oh yes, I do. But I don't know when though. I think we're gonna drive it around a little bit for a couple of weeks and then do it. You know.
Oh, that's good. You're gonna get new air filters.
Yeah, new air filters from K&N. Oh yeah.
with the two.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna put the dual air filters. That's gonna look really old school.
So bad, it'll be long with detention.
And now, what else did you do here? Did you pretty much? What'd you do? You took them off. That's about it.
I took them off. That's about it. I
Yeah, these look nice. See that?
primer them, load it with the heavy primer, thick stuff.
Right. And get it ready for primer. You're just gonna kind of round off some of the edges.
Yeah.
That's all.
You know what primer? It's the purple stuff.
Yeah. Purple one. The purple stuff. Okay. Well, that's good.
Yeah.
So what are you waiting on this? You were
Well, I'm waiting on the wiring harness because I can't do the
because
MSD. It's right now.
you can't get that far.
I can't get that far, but I can put the distributor in. I can put the coil, stuff like that. Mount the MSD box through the holes, put the nut bolts.
Right.
But I can't wire the box unless I have the harness.
Okay. Yeah, makes sense.
You know?
Makes
I mean, I
sense.
can start cutting the spark plug wires. I can do some of that.
Yeah, getting them ready to install.
Yeah.
That's true. You can do all that.
So that
So
all
you're
I have
telling
to do
me
when I get
that-
the harness is plug it into the box. You know?
All right. Here's the box. So if we take this and we put it over here.
Boom.
So you know why I don't like that? Because if you're on the other side of the car, this thing's upside down.
And then if you,
Over here it would look good, but you got body lines.
and again, back in the '60s, they
But
still
if
had
you
points.
want to mimic the old school ways of doing it, you're gonna have to put it inside. Put it right behind where the glove box goes. This car don't
I
have.
think that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
I'm still waiting on a housing.
What kind of housing?
160.
Oh, the
The
thermostat.
thermostat. Yeah.
Yeah, you have one though, don't you?
I have a housing,
Yeah,
but
but
I need
this
the
thing-
thermostat.
It's time for a new housing, brand new chrome. This is some type of aluminum. Here's what happens when they get old. They get all crusty and pitted, and whatever the case is. So, yeah, you need a new one. This will still work, but yeah, you're definitely gonna need a new one. You're still looking for a car for the interior, right?
Yes, I am. I found a red one, but that thing's shot. It literally has rust holes all around, you know.
Man, if the interior's in it, it's good. It's good. That's it.
That's
You know,
another thing,
you know what they say. Rome wasn't built in a day. You know,
It's true. It's true.
things take time.
Yep.
Well, sounds good. Taking over the world.